Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. Today I am unboxing our new Nectar mattress. I'm super excited about this mattress. I want to tell you all about it. We just got it today. We have a king size bed, so we got the King Nectar. King size Nectar, we paid $999. They do have a 4th of July sale going on at the time that we bought it. And so with that sale, they gave us a free sheet set, which is here. And they also gave us a mattress protector, which we haven't gotten in yet. It's coming separately. And then they gave us 2 free pillows. So it was a really awesome deal. We wanted to try Nectar just because we, got a lot of feedback from it, saw a lot of good reviews about Nectar. And so I thought I'd give you guys my review and what I think about it. So it took about a week to get here once we ordered it, so it really didn't take long. It was fairly quick. One thing that's good about Nectar, we saw a lot, like I said, a lot of good reviews on the comfort level. Just a very simple, comfortable mattress. A lot of people said that they thought that it was a really good deal for the comfort that you get and the price. This one is great because they give you a 365-day trial. That is 1 whole year, guys, so I thought that was really awesome. Free shipping and free returns if you don't like it, and it is a lifetime warranty. Lifetime. So I just thought it was super cool. So my husband and I are really excited. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you guys just to show you what it looks like out of the box, and it's going to be exciting. Come on, let's go. So guys, you see here that obviously in the previous clip I completely struggled trying to take this mattress out on my own. It is slightly heavy, but it's not hard to unroll. It's just really heavy, and I had to have my husband come in and actually lift it out of the box, and he let me kind of do the rest on my own for my video. So check it out. Also, as you can see, the mattress fills up. It starts to expand very quickly. So before I even cut, it is expanding. So that's another thing to keep in mind. But it's pretty awesome. Hi friends, here I'm just laying on the bed and giving it a nice little test. This is my first time laying on the bed, so I'm going to lay down in all positions just to kind of show you guys how your body just conforms with the mattress and how you sink right on in. It is super comfortable. Hey guys, so first thoughts, laying on the mattress, it is super comfortable. As I'm sitting on it right now, I can just kind of feel myself sink in. The pillows are actually really soft too, so I love the pillows. Pretty much that same softness that you get inside of the mattress. When I've laid on all three sides, it was completely comfortable. I'm a side sleeper, so I tend to sleep on my right side, and it was very comfortable. I feel like my back or my sides were supported all the way up to my neck, and I feel like even more so when I have the pillow underneath my head. So far it seems like it's a really comfortable mattress. When I laid on it for the first time, I just felt like I was floating. So it really is comfortable. So I'm hoping that that continues throughout over time as we sleep on it. I had a hard time opening that box. I had to have my husband come in and help me, so that was a struggle. It was heavier than what I thought to do that by myself. But once you started unraveling and you got to the part where you needed to cut, which I just used a knife because I could not locate the actual cutter that should be coming in the box. I didn't see it, maybe I missed it. But once you started cutting that open, actually as soon as you unravel and before you even cut the plastic, it really does start to fill up. And then as soon as you cut that plastic, it's going. So as soon as you unroll it, just make sure that you have it on the correct side. We had it upside down, so we had to flip it over. But it's a wonderful mattress. It fits our bed perfectly. It's super soft. And I am just hoping for lots of good nights of sleep. So I am going to do another review after about a month or so, just to let you guys know how it feels. And if it still has that same softness, and then I'll do another review maybe a couple months later just to kind of keep up. Because we have 365 days to try this thing. So we've got plenty of time to sleep on it to really truly know if we like it. That's it, guys. I am going to put all of my sheets on and get this bed ready to go. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up down there. And also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much, guys. See you on the next one. Bye.